Hey guys, so I just did the anchor trolley system from Kayak, this guy, and this is gonna be what my anchor's hooked up to. So it's a clothesline. It's probably like 40 feet. So I've panned it all out, and I've just got it locked off right now. And I'm gonna cut it, and then I'm gonna put paracord on it and reel paracord back into it, and then I'm gonna attach it to the board, and then attach my anchor to the other end of it, and that way my anchor can clip to here. Because like right now, if you think about it, I've only got like 3 feet, 4 feet of anchor, so that'll give me 40 feet that I can, adjust and walk it off as I need to. So yeah, that's the project now. So I'm gonna leave a little bit here. Just to give me something to tie to. Okay, so now what's gonna happen, I'm gonna let it reel in off of the paracord reel into the clothesline. Let's see how many feet we get. So take some. So I'm just gonna mark it real quick. Let's pan it all back out and see if it sticks with that or if more goes. Because if they might get jammed up. I don't know. Okay. I'm good with that, and then I'm going to add a couple feet. I'd rather have too much for right now that I can mess with later. If I have too much now, then I can cut it back. See how it frayed up this time when I didn't preheat it like I did last time? So what's going to happen is this is going to get installed back here, and then my anchor will sit under my seat or something back here somewhere, and then this will come down and go through the carabiner and be attached to an anchor, and then it will go down, and then as I adjust this, I can pull it whichever direction I need to. So what I am going to want though is a cleat or something to secure this here so that it stays and isn't trying to pan out all 40 feet when I don't necessarily need all 40 feet every time. This is what's cool about the Kayak as well, is that it comes with these little plates. They're designed for trolling motor mounts. You can put a trolling motor there. So All right, this stuff's real pliable, soft and pliable, so I think I can get away with help if I had a battery, huh? So the washers the first time on these screws were underneath, and I think it'll be better if they're on top. Kind of spread the weight around a little bit. They're a 7. Alright, so now it's just a matter of hooking the anchor up to it. So it would be something like, let me see here. Well, here's what it would be anyway. This would go through here and be hooked up to this. And then there would be an anchor attached to the other end of this, so now it's anchored out. So what we're looking at is how it pans out of the roller there. And if I pull back on it, it feeds itself back in. So some people use like an anchor wizard, but this works just, I mean, this works great. And this thing was $14. The paracord was like $5 or $6. So this is perfect for me. Instead of spending all that money. All right, that's it. I'm gonna get it cleaned up and move on to something else.